Hi, hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see about a network issue. So I have inserted the SIM, but there is no network. In some mobile, without inserting SIM cards, there will be network connection default. But here we have a complaint like this. So why these types of complaints usually comes because there will be an external antenna in your mobile. It helps to pull and gives the network and produces to the network IC inside the mobile, which we have. So the network section will be between the subboard section and the main board section. So there will be a coaxial cable inside which will be useful, and it is a network cable also. So it will be there inside the mobile. If the cable is not fixed properly, there will be no connection in the mobile. So first let's check in it. So it is a button mobile back casing. So this section is the external antenna section, and this puts are so. If connects here in the board, this is the charging connector and it is a GSM mobile. So it is mentioned here in the mobile itself. So when these 2 points touches together, so the 2 points from the external board touches the motherboard, the external antenna will give the network connection to the mobile. So I have a complaint like the points are touching but there is no network connection. So let's see how to solve this type of a issue. Now, we cannot say that this is the only problem. We should see all other complaint regarding this also. We can solve it, and it can be solved by the track lines also. So there will be different various lines for various mobile phones. They can be one ICs or they can be mingled ICs, the sum up of mingled ICs also. So starting itself, you cannot just judge yourself that there is a no network connection, that is in the IC connection problem. So we cannot simply say that in the initial stage itself that there is no network IC connection and the mobile has a network IC connection problem. So we should check the other issues also in the mobile. So resistors, inductors or capacitors also can be checked that there is any problem over there. So maybe from that this problem arises, and even from that we cannot get any network connection to the mobile even after inserting the SIM. So this is the idea SIM which is very used, and now I'm going to insert it, and I'm now powering on the button, that is the mobile. So we should check whether there are correct continuity lines. So now I have inserted the SIM, but it's showing searching. So we cannot simply judge that there is a problem in the network IC connection, and this is not the only issue. We can also check the inductors, capacitors, resistors in the motherboard and its lines also. So I am again powering off the mobile, and now we are going to check the other lines that there are in a correct continuity lines, and if not we are going to replace the lines, or else we can do jumping process directly in the mobile. And also, if the name is not showing, you can also assume that there is no balance in the SIM card. So even if you balance the SIM card, you can also check whether there is a network connection problem also. So you will check. So before telling that this is the issue, you should recharge your SIM cards also. So now we will check the track lines. Now the two grounds, that is the GSM and the ground, The GSM is also known as the network section. So now I'm going to open the hence heat sink of the GSM. So before the ground, we'll check the track line of GSM. So we could see the track lines over there. So I'm going to check the GSM track line. So I'm checking the GSM track lines now. If it is an inductor and I'm getting the inductor's track line over there, and I'm getting lines except one segment, I'm getting the continuity mode except that one particular segment. So we are checking the two ends of the capacitors and also the inductors over there in that segment. If a component has failed, there may be these types of problems. If one end of a conductor or if one end of a capacitor or inductor is being failed, these types of problems may arise and we cannot be able to find out the track lines. We cannot able to track the lines over there in the motherboard. So before checking, you should check the track lines so that you could able to find what is the real issue over here. So now I have checked the track lines and have done the jump ring process. So yes, I have checked where and all the continuity modes are there by the help of the multimeter. So hope you all have enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.